use this machine. Threading the machine. 1. Threading the upper thread. Put a spool on the thread spindle. Put on the thread spindle cover. Pull the thread in counterclockwise so it passes through the bobbin winder tension disc down through the gap. Pull it back up as the arrow shows. Go through the take-up lever hole from right to left. Then go through the hole next to the needle clamp screw from up to down. Easily thread the needle by sticking the needle threader through the eye from back to front. Pull the thread out about 15 centimeters. Caution: it's very important to thread in a correct way. Please follow each step carefully. The needle eye must be threaded from front to back, otherwise the machine may not sew. 2. Replacing the bottom bobbin. Slide the bobbin cover off and remove the empty bobbin. Put the new bobbin in the holder with the thread going clockwise. Hold the needle thread with left hand and right hand. Turn the hand wheel counterclockwise only one round. Then the needle thread will pick up the bobbin thread and pull it up through the hole under the needle. Separate the two threads and pull them to the back of the machine under the presser foot, leaving about 15 centimeters hanging there. Restore the bobbin cover. Caution: always make sure the bottom thread is picked up from the hole under presser foot with about 15 centimeters hanging out in clockwise direction.